going on, guys? It's another morning, another duck hunt, another goose hunt. Today we're hunting at an old, well, it's not old, it's a beach and a playground. There's a playground and a beach there. The lake's completely frozen over. We did find a small pocket of open running water, and we cut it open more with a chainsaw yesterday to make a bigger pocket. So we got Ruger down there. I don't think we're gonna bring him because I don't want him to fall through the ice or something, and yeah, it wouldn't be good. But get my stuff packed up. Not the purple iPad, that's not mine. But get my stuff packed up. We're waiting on Zach. Gotta get finished getting dressed. I got all the decoys loaded up. I'll show you guys that in a little bit. What we're running, what we're using, and yeah, you guys stay tuned. That's how you get water on top of the ice. Auger. Shoot these? Smack one. Ooh, he hit hard. Holy shit. Your gun fucking up again? Push this on the bottom. Push this on the bottom. Wow, it's not going. No bands on him, so nice goose. Nope. Alright. They were gonna flare anyways. So. In shooting range or no? Fuck it, let's go.
Good shot.
Nice shot. That's good. Looks like they're way too fucking high up.
We missed.
Missed every one of them. Ain't no shit. Well, we were just sitting here eating blueberry muffins. And, what the fuck is that? We were just sitting here eating blueberry muffins. I look up and there is a duck fluttering over the decoys. So, pick it up. Yeah, he got hit hard. He got hit hard. Yeah, ground hard. No bands. It's all Drake Mallard. See your duck. This GoPro's been giving me all kinds of fits, but Zach just shot another Drake Mallard right over the decoys. They're starting to do it pretty good. This midday flight is working out for us. It's a nice Drake. Double curl. Big old healthy plumed out bird. But yeah, this GoPro keeps freezing. I don't know if it's because the batteries are cold or what it is, but I mean it's 50 degrees out here, so I don't know why it'd be messing up like that. We got like 20 geese over here on the ice, landed, and well, I don't know. Hopefully we can get some more birds and try to get on camera because this thing's acting up, and hopefully we can get some clips out of it. So, see you guys. I'm gonna shoot some ducks. Wait for it. Shoot him.
How's this thing fucking came up again?
Did you shoot?
Oh yeah, I shot him.
Well, we're sitting here and just hanging out, and we set up over there, as you can tell, and across the ice, we're seeing some feathers. And it looks like maybe there, maybe what that is. Something out there. Looks like there's a bunch of dead ducks. I don't know if someone shot them or if got sick or what have you, but might as well check them for bands. So I'm gonna go look at these ducks and see what's going on with them. Might have got bit up by a hawk. So I guess we could take them and put them in a coyote pile. Drake Mallard. This one definitely got shot. Yeah. Take them. Well, I walked out here and turns out it's a goose. So pick this guy up. Add him to the pile of birds that people shot and didn't pick up. I'm gonna take home, put them on the field for coyotes. Well, I just got back from hunting. You see the truck's unloaded. Yeah, so after that last clip, we packing everything up, and on the way out, we seen a bunch more dead birds on the ice. So we went and stopped, checked them out. There was like 10 more geese and a few ducks just dead sitting there on the ice. Don't know if it's like a avian bird flu. I've never seen nothing like it, but there was a goose sitting there swimming in circles, smashing his head up against the bank, just like whipping his head around and shit. So I think the birds are sick or something. I don't know. It's just weird. There's like 20 plus dead birds on the ice, which I doubt that many people shot them, but who knows? I mean, if it's a big deal, the game warden probably has already heard about it or seen it or whatnot. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. You know, there wasn't much shooting clips, which I kind of messed that one up. My camera on my gun was broken. The back cap fell off and I was shooting one time, so don't have any clips off of that. And the GoPro batteries kept freezing up and getting cold and shutting off, so didn't get many clips off of that. But you guys stay tuned, stay up to beat with the channel. I'm gonna get that camera fixed. I'm gonna get some better GoPro batteries or better GoPro or camera or whatever, so we can have some better footage, some better film for you guys to watch. And you guys stay tuned. We are going to Arkansas here in about a month for I think 3-day or 4-day hunt, and that's gonna be some pretty good footage. We're going out there with an outfitter, so should be getting on some birds, hopefully a lot of birds. It is late in the winter, so hopefully they still got birds or whatnot. But yeah, you guys stay tuned. Leave a like, hit that subscribe button, leave a comment, let me know what you guys want to see, and take care.